Hello everyone, in this video I'm tell you how to update specific user data from the Firebase in React.js. Yeah, let's start. In previous video I have explained how to insert data from Firebase. If you want, see this video and then continue. I'll give that video link in this video description. Okay, first I'm going to add a edit button. Edit and on click and handle edit, and we need to pass this data, and I'll create a specific function for this edit. Const val, and here if user is edit, I'm going to insert data into this state. Okay, I'll just copy this and here we'll get value inside this val. We'll just console this. If I click any of edit, see we got this value. So now I'm going to store this name and age in this state here, and I need to create one more state to store this ID. Okay, so we got value inside val dot name. Okay, so name, copy that, and in age val dot age. Okay, here we'll get value, and I need to create one state to store ID. Here and edit ID, sorry, and this as well. Okay, and copy this. Here the state is edit. If users click on edit button, I'll just val dot ID. I need to pass this ID. So now we got value in these two values, two states. I'm going to use this. Okay, so when if user is set, click on edit, we need to set user data into this input field. So here val dot name, copy that and paste it here. This is age. So if I click, I'll just reload this, clear this. If I click on edit, value setting, but if I type anything, it won't reflect. So we need to create on change by using this state. We need to set this on change value in that state. Okay, on change event, the state object, I just spreading the existing state, and we need this input data because I want to update specific value. Okay, here name will get value in this event. Okay, e dot target dot value. I'll just copy this on change, paste it here, and this will be age. Okay, so if I reload and then just click on edit, value is setted, and I'm going to change this to result. See, value is changing. Now this is fine, but this button still in add. So what I will do, user click on edit, so if this ID is present, I'll just change this to update. There, this will be else. Yeah, fine, now it is edit. Okay, I'll just reload. Initially it is in add. If I click on edit, see, it's became edit or otherwise update. Now if user click on this update button, won't happen, it just add, because see, this is duplicated twice. Why? Because we didn't even add a edit functionality. So what I will do, so if user click on this edit, this contains this state this state contains edit id. Okay, so if we see that id, what I will do, for that we don't want this, I'll just remove it, and if edit id is there, sorry, we need to update, else we need to insert. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just keep this before this, and this is edit, right? So it is in else case. In edit case, I'm just going to create one try catch method, copy that, and here paste that. So await here update doc, this is coming from Firebase Firestore. See here, user is update, we need to add doc, so const edit ref doc, it is also coming from Firebase. See, doc is imported here, and here we need to pass same like this database and also this specific user logged in user data. Why? Because I'm just going to update specific logged in user data. Okay, so here, not here, here, just pass that, and we need this edit id, then only till identify, okay, we need to update this specific value. Okay, so after this we need to pass that edit id, and here we'll get updated value, right? So what I'll do, copy that and paste it here. Okay, and save this. Now this update will work. I'll show you. Also, after update we need to reset this state, so copy that at the end. Yeah, it should be empty. Save this. Now everything is done. Just clear this, reload this. Yeah, I'll just update this one. Okay, so here result and something like this, and if I click on update, see, this value got updated from Firebase. Even if I reload, see, this value is still present, but I found one issue. It's like, I'll show you, edit, and after changing this value, this update still present. So what I need to do, I need to reset this ID as well. Where? Here, empty, or others will pass null, initial value also null. Okay, everything is fine. So if I change this to Raj 34 update, see, Raj 34, this got changed. So this is how you need to update data from Firebase. In next video I'll show you how to delete. Also I'll show you how to arrange this in order by date or something like that. Okay, and if I add anything like one data and like this, it will add. See, it is added here. Even if I reload, we'll get that value. Yeah, finally we got the updated value. This is how you need to update data from Firebase in React.js. This is what I did to this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.